Do you want an eye-catching thumbnail that will make your video viral just like these creators? Their thumbnails are just perfect, eye-catching and creative that push you to click on their videos. And I know you also want these kind of thumbnails as well. You can't have it because you may can't edit it like them or you need to spend money to get it. Yes, you're spending your money and buying these expensive thumbnails, then just stop. I have brought a solution for you. I'm going to show you how you can make these kind of thumbnails in less than 5 minutes with the help of AI and just for free. So let's start. We will follow only 2 steps. Step 1, get the prompt, and step 2, give the prompt and get your thumbnail. For prompt, we'll simply go to ChatGPT and tell what type of thumbnail we want. Give all detail about your thumbnail just like this. For getting thumbnail, just go to this site and follow the steps.